Hey, my beautiful roses. Does your class have that one girl who somehow always looks naturally pretty throughout the whole day? Like their skin looks fresh, their hair looks neat, their eyes look like they sleep full 8 hours, and they always look clean and put together. Meanwhile, you leave for school looking cute, but still can't beat school air. That's why today, I'm exposing every beauty habit that'll help you look naturally attractive at school without letting any school air get to you. Now grab your favorite drink and your prettiest notebook, and let's get pretty for school. Habit 1. Be consistent with your routine. Roses, if you want to be naturally pretty at school, learn to be consistent first. Because consistency will always make a bigger difference than owning expensive products you only remember to use twice a week. So create one simple routine for your morning and nighttime. Make sure you're showering twice a day, and make your morning shower quick and gentle. But at night, take your time and have a proper shower. Wash away every sweat, sunscreen, and deodorant from the day. And don't go scrubbing your skin hard. Be gentle instead. Now, your skincare should also stay simple. In the morning, wash your face gently, use your moisturizer, and then apply sunscreen. And at night, wash your face and moisturize again. If you have any acne treatment, nighttime is the best time to use it. And roses, stop popping your pimples. Your hands belong on your school books, not inside your pores. Popping a pimple can make the spot more swollen and leave a scar that stays much longer than the original pimple. Instead, use a pimple patch before going to bed. You'll wake up to the pimple looking way smaller than last night. Habit 2. Fix your hair the night before. Roses, a pretty school hair is not created during a stressful argument with your hairbrush at 6:30 in the morning. First, decide exactly how you want to wear it the next day. Don't wait until morning to start watching different hairstyle tutorials. Then gently detangle your hair, starting from the ends and slowly working your way up, before placing it in a loose braid, twists, rollers, a bun, or any style that'll make tomorrow's hairstyle easier. Also, avoid styles that feel painfully tight. And if you wash your hair at night, give it enough time to dry before going to sleep. Do not go to bed with your hair wet. Next, wrap or protect your finished hair before bed. Then place your brush, hair ties, clips, and other accessories where you can easily find them. In the morning, your job should be to refresh and finish your hair, not start from the scratch. Habit 3. Never forget your sunscreen. Sunscreen is not only for beach days or for light-skinned girls. Every skin tone needs sun protection. Choose a broad-spectrum water-resistant sunscreen with SPF 30 or higher. Apply it to any exposed skin before leaving home. Remember areas like your face, neck, and ears. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, use the hybrid green tea sunscreen from Dr. Althea. And no, sunscreen is not supposed to bleach your skin. It just helps protect your skin from sunburn and stops dark marks from becoming even darker. If you spend a long time outdoor or have sports practice, remember to reapply it according to the label. Think of sunscreen as protection for the skin you are already working so hard to care for. Habit 4. Carry a school refresh kit. Roses, the secret to staying perfectly fresh from morning till afternoon is simple. Always be prepared. Create a tiny refresh kit using things you already have at home. You can include tissues, lip balm, a small comb, hair ties, mini mirror, a sanitary pad, sunscreen, and a small deodorant. Use your kit after lunch, PE classes, or anytime you feel sweaty and untidy. Gently blot sweat with a tissue instead of rubbing your face with your uniform sleeve. Fix any messy pieces of hair, reapply your lip balm, drink some water, and use your deodorant if you feel sweaty. Also, reapply your sunscreen during break time. And carry an emergency hair tie even when your hairstyle looks perfect in the morning. Because the wind, heat, and your PE class does not care about how pretty your hair looks. You can't look perfect every second, so learn to freshen yourself up quickly without creating a big scene. Habit 5. Do a quick fit check. Roses, before you leave home, always do a quick check of these 3 things. First, your face. Check your hair, brows, lashes, and lips. Smooth any wild hair, gently brush your brows, moisturize your lips, and that's all. Next, your uniform. Check your collar, socks, shoes, and the front and back of your uniform or outfit. A clean, neat outfit can make the simplest look appear polished. And finally, your freshness. Check your breath and teeth. Use deodorant and take your water bottle. Spray a little perfume, not the whole bottle. Perfume should never be used as a cover for body odor. A clean body, clean clothes, and fresh breath always win. Habit 6. Set a bedtime alarm. You already have an alarm that tells you when to wake up. Now you need one that tells you when to start getting ready for bed. As a teenager, you should be getting around 8 to 10 hours of sleep. But you can't sleep for 8 hours if you begin your night routine 10 minutes before 12 in the morning. So set a get ready for bed alarm about 30 to 45 minutes before bedtime. When it rings, stop scrolling your phone, prepare your school bag, lay out your uniform, wrap or style your hair, complete your night skincare routine, and place your phone away from your pillow. This is your time to sleep. Good sleep helps you wake up with more energy. You will also have more patience to get ready instead of rushing around with half-brushed hair and pure panic in the morning. Your phone will still have new videos you can watch tomorrow, but your sleep time will not come back. Habit 7. Try to eat healthy. Roses, school time is not the time to skip lunch or survive on one tiny salad throughout the day. Instead of asking, what food should I stop eating? Ask yourself, what healthy thing can I add? If your breakfast is bread, add an egg, fruit, yogurt, peanut butter, or any protein you already have at home. If your lunch is rice or pasta, add vegetables, beans, fish, or chicken to it. You don't need perfect meals. You simply need meals that give your body something useful. Now, let's talk about your favorite drinks. You don't have to swear off every sweet drink forever. Just stop drinking them like they're water. This small change can help your body look snatched and your face look plump and healthy. Also, please stop waiting until you feel extremely thirsty to drink your water. Connect drinking water to things you already do. Drink some after waking up, with your breakfast, during your school break, with lunch, and after school. This is much easier than trying to count 8 random glasses. And staying hydrated can help you feel more awake and focused in school. And those are the 7 beauty habits that'll help you look naturally attractive for school. Roses, don't try to change your entire life overnight. Be consistent with each habit until they feel normal. Remember, you don't have to use tons of products to become naturally pretty. A pretty girl is not always the girl with the most skincare products. She is usually the girl who takes care of herself consistently, even when nobody is watching. So, if you're going to start using these beauty habits, I want you to comment, "I'm starting right now." And if you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and join our beautiful Rose family for more simple beauty and school tips. I love you, Roses, and I'll see you in my next video.